Anything is possible. It started with a dream.
Hello, I'm here today to show you how to edit a video in your Facebook page, business page. So go to your Facebook business page, and in my case it's Libby Stamps, Independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator, and I scroll down the page until I find the video I want to edit. Now the video I'm editing today is one I actually recorded today. So I'm going to click on the video, Independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Australia, and then I'm going to click pause over here on the left so I don't hear what I'm saying. Alright, then I go up to these three little dots up here and I click on the dots, and it comes down, click on the dots and scroll down to edit video. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is add a thumbnail. Now I've already made this in PicMonkey, and I'm going to use a custom image, so I click add image and then I just go to the folder where I've made the image, click on it, and it's there. Then I have to click save again and go back up to the three dots, click, go down to edit video. Now in a Word document I've got a whole lot of things that I put on my Facebook Live. So products available, free gift with order, all those sorts of things, and I just simply copy that. So copy, go back to my page and click Control V to paste it, and it's there. Alright, so then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to check in. I'm going to check in at Libby Stamps. In Bonnells Bay, and it comes up that I'm at Bonnells Bay. Now down here I can add keywords, so I can go in and add scrapbook, add it, ink swipe, technique, add new tag. What else did I do? Embossing paste, add new, embossing, hashtag Stampin' Up, hashtag simple stamping, hashtag Libby Stamps. I think that's all I can add. Alright, now I can tag a product. So here where it says tag a product, I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go to my shop and go to Big Shot because I can't remember what the dies are. Alright, click on dies. Here, Butterfly Beauty Thinlet dies. So I'm going to right click on that, save the image, and I've got in my downloads a folder that I save these things to. So SU Graphics, new folder, and it goes with Beauty Abounds, doesn't it? So I've just made that new folder. I'm going to save that in there, and then I'm going to click on the next image and save that image as well. Then I'm going to go back to my Facebook page, and I need to copy this, go back to my Facebook page, and where I've got product, I'm going to just press Control V, Beauty Abounds, add that tag. Alright, now I'm going to add my photos that I just saved on my computer in my downloads. Beauty Abounds. I'm going to add the coloured one first, and then I'm going to select the Thinlit dies. Use 2 photos, so I'm going to select Save. It's Beauty Abounds, and they are $68. Alright, and then up here I just go back here and I select all of that, copy it, go back to my Facebook page and paste, and then underneath I'm going to put coordinates with, and then I'm going to go down here to this, whoops, wrong one, this, and I'm going to select all of that, copy it, paste, and then underneath I'm going to put buy the bundle and save 10%. So the bundle is, let's see, here, and I'm just going to select that, go back to my Facebook page and paste. Alright, so in order for them to buy that, I need to add my DBWS number. So here it is. And I'm just going to add it in there. I'm going to select all, copy, then I can close that and just go back here, and they can check the bundle out at this link, share this product on my page, and then I'm going to save. Okay, so now up here I need to put a title, so I'm going to put scrapbook page with ink pad swipe and embossing paste. Okay, so then I just click save and I'm done. So now when I go back to my page, so I click up here on my page, and I'll just refresh that. And I scroll down here, there's the product I've tagged for today, and here's my video. Now if I can go back, if I click on videos over here on my left, I can then see today's video. If I scroll to the top, scrapbook page with ink, pad swipe and embossing paste, and I can click on that and it'll play today's video. Alright, so that's it. That's how you go and edit your Facebook. And I've just got a comment. So let's see. So I click on inbox, click over here on comments, click on let's get inky, and I can scroll down and I can see that Helen's made a comment, and then I just go up here and mark as done. Alright, so that's it. Thanks so much. I hope this helps you. Bye for now.
We've grown strong together, you know it's all because everybody plays a part in doing what we love.